this is going to be very obvious, but free traffic is obviously traffic that you don't have to pay for. It's traffic that you get organically. And then paid traffic, obviously, is traffic that you pay for, but you're getting instant exposure. So I want to give you kind of an example and a run through of free traffic first, right? So free traffic, this can look like a bunch of different things. It can look like an Instagram post. Maybe you just create an organic TikTok video with the hashtag, write a blog post, something like this. But when you're creating this kind of content, you don't have to pay to get people to consume it. Affiliates use things like hashtags or search engine optimization to what's called rank their content on these platforms, and then their content gets exposed to audiences for the first time when they don't have to pay. So I'm going to walk you through a very classic example here. So this is an example of someone on Instagram promoting a product called Ted's Woodworking, sticking with the woodworking theme, right? So as you can see on the left, they've created the video showing some very cool woodworking joint work, something that, it looks interesting. You're like, oh, cool, what is that? Now, I want you to notice, over there on the right, you'll see I've highlighted a little hashtag woodworking. This is really important because literally everyone following that hashtag or people that are already interested in woodworking now have an opportunity to be shown that video in their feed organically, right? So when they're scrolling, they're looking through this, they're saying like, oh, okay, cool. This video that you just posted didn't cost any money, has the potential to pop up in their feed for free. So that's pretty cool, right? So now what I want you to look at is the second piece is that text at the bottom, right? It says get instant access to 16,000 plans, link in bio, right? We've all seen the link in bio thing, right? So someone goes to the link in bio, clicks on the link in the bio, and now you have an interested customer that can eventually purchase from your affiliate link. Now this video cost nothing to make, and it was exposed to potentially thousands of people by simply using a hashtag. There was no money exchanged to get that traffic, to get those eyeballs on that, and you just got free traffic to your affiliate link. Now, something I want to point out. This video, when I pulled it, had 29,000-ish views, which is a lot. But something else I want to point out. Link in bio, right? Look at the Instagram handle. They have 108,000 followers. Guys, you don't just get 108,000 followers overnight. This takes time. This takes repeated effort of posting content day and day again. You don't just make one video and have it go completely viral and all of a sudden you make tons of money. That's not how this works. You have to show these platforms like Instagram, right? Like you keep creating content and get better and better and better at it. That basically after that, it's the continued content creation that is going to make you rich. But the key thing to note here is the time that it takes, right? I guarantee you 108,000 followers, that happened probably 6 months, 8 months, maybe years to build up that following. Now, that's how they can get so much traffic to their link. So let's look at paid traffic now. So that was an example of free. Let's look more at paid. So paid traffic, obviously, again, you're going to be paying money to advertising platforms to get your content, or what we call ads, in front of people. So this content looks a little bit different from the free content that we were just looking at, and it's designed to catch people's attention like really quick and get them to click on your advertisement. So we've all seen these. We know what ads are, but you can use Facebook ads, Google search ads, YouTube ads, right? The little 5-second pre-roll ads that go in there. That could be very cool. And then we've got native ads, things like in-stream, right? Recommended content. But there's all kinds of things that you can do with this. But I'm going to show you a Facebook ad example. So this is an example of someone who created a Facebook ad for the same exact product we used earlier, Ted's Woodworking. Now, if you notice, they've created an image calling out how detailed the plans are. And they've also written some copy about what it is and why you should care about it, right? But the thing to note here is that they used Facebook's ad targeting platform, right, to basically say, I want to target men aged 30 to 60 interested in DIY and woodworking products. And then what you would do is maybe you'd say, okay, I'm going to pay Facebook $50 a day to show this ad in front of those people. And then boom, that ad is instantly shown to men aged 30 to 60. You are paying for the instant exposure, right? You're paying for that instant gratification where you can expose your content right away. Free traffic, right? Takes time to kind of build this up. You're kind of hoping and praying that people click on it and see it and that the algorithm recommends it, right? Here you're paying for the instant exposure. So as you can see, classic journey. Let's say guy gets exposed to this. They say, okay, I want to learn more about this. Looks like it drives them to a blog page reviewing Ted's Woodworking. Your affiliate link would sit right there. They click on it and then boom, you just made a sale. So speed is the key thing to note here. Speed is the biggest thing, and you don't have to build up an audience to get traffic. It's the instant exposure and what you get. So which method of the two should you choose? I get this question all the time. How should I go free traffic? Should I go paid traffic? I'm not really sure. It really depends on your situation, and it has to do with time and money, and honestly, what you want to invest more of. So my colleague here at ClickBank, Thomas McGann, he does a great job explaining this. Probably the best way I could think about how to make this decision. And he was the one that coined this originally. Is basically, do you want to invest your time or your money? So if you have time to invest and you don't need this to work overnight, free traffic is going to be the way to go. And let's say you don't have a lot of money to invest, right? Again, free traffic is the way to go because you can afford to take the time that it takes to build up content, do all the things that you need to do to generate free traffic. Now, if you're looking for success and you need this to work as fast as possible, paid traffic is going to be the way to go. And again, if you have money to invest up front, this is a great thing to throw money at. Paid traffic is a great solution to see quicker results. They kind of have an inverse relationship, right? As you can see, it's the time or money is basically what you have to think of when making your decision. What do you want to invest more of? Both are very, very powerful tactics, and it's honestly going to change the type of content that you're creating for this. So if you're just starting out, just choose one single method and stick with it and learn one traffic source. Don't try to do a little bit of free, a little bit of paid, a little bit of Instagram, a little bit of blog writing. Stick with one thing and get good at it, guys. You'll see all successful affiliates do that at the beginning.